Good morning, class 6. Now, today we will do the solution of exercise 4.3. Name the sides in the following polygons. See, about polygons we have studied yesterday. Polygons are the closed figures, right? Now, the first figure is like this. So, the naming are, you can give the names A, B, C, D. Names are A, B, B, C, C, D and D, A, right? Second figure is this P, Q, R, S. You can also give A, B, C, D. So sides are P, Q, Q, R, R, S and S, P. Right? Next figure is this A, B, C, D, E. Naming आप अपनी साइड से कुछ भी दे सकते हैं. So first side is A, B, B, C, C, D and D, E and E, A. Right? Now last figure is this, which is of star A, B. These points are what we call them adjacent side. ये दोनों में कॉमन है तो ये क्या होगी adjacent side. So AB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GH, HI, IJ and JA. Right? Now come to second question. State whether the following statement are true or false. First statement is a polygon can be a open figure. So when we writing the definition, the first point is polygon means any closed figure. So it is not open figure, it means it is false. We can form a polygon with two line segment. The smallest polygon is triangle. So polygon cannot be made with the two line segment, it is false. Find the number of the polygons in the following figures. Any closed figure. So it is closed, it is given, you will count them and write only the number of the polygons. Next question, name all the adjacent sides in the polygon. Adjacent sides means which are common. AB, BC, AB, BC, you will write here AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DE, DE and EA, right? Because see, in this B common, in this C common, here D and here E. Adjacent means a common which two sides of a polygon which have a common vertex. A, B, C, D, E, these are the vertex of the polygon, right? Next, the number of diagonals in a polygon with 8 sides is. You will draw one polygon with this and draw the diagonals and count. These two questions you have to do yourself. Now third is verify the following statement by drawing a square and a hexagon. In any polygon, the number of the vertex is equal to the number of the sides. See, vertex means the corners. So by drawing a square and hexagon, you will draw one square like this and a hexagon have how many sides? 6. So you will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it is having 6. You will draw any figure like this. Here you will draw. Do one more thing. Right? See, if the sides are 6, it means vertices are also 6. Now here vertices are 4, A, B, C and D. First one is proof. In any polygon, the number of vertices is equal to the number of the sides. See, there are 4 vertices and the number of the sides are 4. So you will draw one hexagon also, that is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So A, B, C, D, E and F. In a hexagon, how many sides are there? 6. And here also how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is proved. They are saying you have to just draw one square and one hexagon and downside you have to written in any polygon the number of the vertices is equal to the number of the sides. Right? Now the number of sides of a particular polygon is a prime number less than 7. Less than 7 is 6 is even number, 5 5 is the prime number. So first is draw the polygon and find the number of the diagonals it has. So first one is you can draw pentagon. See, this is also pentagon because it is having 5 sides, and here diagonals are 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more is left, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one with the this. So total diagonals are 5. Pentagon, 5 diagonals. One more is triangle. In triangle only, in triangle, sorry, no diagonals are there. Find the number of diagonals. In triangle, see, this is the triangle. Here the diagonals can be drawn with diagonals. क्या होते हैं आपके diagonals of the polygons are line segment that join the non-adjacent sides. Means this, right? You can't say it is diagonal because it is already joined. तो ये क्या है आपके diagonals जो नॉन एडजेसेंट साइड्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं. तो ट्रायंगल में ऑल साइड्स आर कनेक्टेड विद ईच अदर, सो इट मीन्स हेयर इज नो डायगोनल्स. क्लियर? नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. नेम द डिफरेंट पॉलीगन्स इन द गिवन फिगर. सी इन दिस पॉलीगन्स आर triangle. First is triangle, second one is quadrilateral, and third is pentagon. So first triangles are ABC, ACD, ADE, right? Next is quadrilateral. See, it is also quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is ABCD, ABCD, and ACDE, ACDE. Next is pentagon. It is already pentagon, A, B, C, D, E, right? Next, I am a polygon with prime number of sides. Prime number are those who are divisible itself. Prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7. I am the only polygon to have the same number of diagonals and sides. Which one having? See, we can't, smaller is triangle. Smallest polygon is triangle, which is having 3 sides, but in that no polygon is there. After triangle, pentagon, which is having equal number of diagonals and equal number of sides. So who I am is pentagon. Next question, I am a polygon with no diagonals. So no diagonals are in triangle. Clear?